How to cook easy braised eggplant. First, we heat oil in a pan and then we fry the eggplant slices. And then we flip to cook the other side. Once cooked, we set it aside. Now in the same pan, we saute garlic and onion. And then we add ground meat. Here I used ground chicken. We cook for some minutes. And then we add around 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then we add 1/4 cup of water. We mix a little bit. And then we add in the red bell pepper strips. We cook for some more minutes. And then we add back the eggplant slices. Cook for some more minutes again. And you're done. Thank you for watching.